Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Omzi Reddy. Today, in this video, we are doing something special and make some fun. So, today I'm using Chat GPT 3.5 for making some fun how the Chat GPT use the answer for us. So many people are using Chat GPT, but they don't know how to use the Chat GPT. So, here the simple this is a 3 to 4 parts of videos, and this is the first video how to handle the Chat GPT and how to ask the things to the Chat GPT. So this is a beginner level. So you are a beginner if you are using the Chat GPT to get some of the information from the user. So by using these things like Chat GPT, we using these basic things. So this is a one of the LLM model by using large language models, Chat GPT. So there is another large language models also is presented like BERT and two so many things are presented. So we are using Chat GPT 3.5. Here Chat GPT 4 is a paid version, so I don't have any paid version for these things. So for this email I use this free version. So if you are a beginner, you can go through the free version, and the paid version is for the most advanced people who are necessary. So let's go for small things. So I'm giving the prompt like what need to like explain. I'm giving the explain about nature. Okay, I'm giving the prompt like explain about the nature. It's a simple prompt. So let the chat gpt how the information is given. So nature refers to natural world and everything that exists within the including the living. So here the types of nature also they have given us. So approximately 10 points. That's great. These provide us the 10 points. So including the living organism, landscape, ecosystems, and the elements. So biodiversity, ecosystem, lands. These are the contained in the nature only. So the key aspects. So it give a perfect meaning like perfect things where we need to search this 3.5 ChatGPT Q. So okay, we will move on some of the another level. Explain about nature in 500 words. Let's give him 500 words how it can explain. So see that explain nature is the broadest sense something has given the so here we didn't get any points type. See, see differences between the first prompt and second prompt. It giving the passages. Okay, we are give the 500 words to read. So it give the passages for us. In previous prompt it give the like sentence format, like heading like headlines and explaining the things. So this is the differences. So let's try this same question like explain about nature in, I'm asking 1 lakh words. How it can be like how can it generate it? Let's see. So nature and expensive inheriting, so it will give the 1 lakh what means clear deep and detailed things about the nature and what are the types of nature. Everything is comes under these things. So it explain so most of the things are used for like if you are writing any blogs or things. So this will be helpful. So this is a 1 lakh words which is given by the chat gpt about the nature. Okay, same statement I'm giving within the 50 word. Okay, explain about nature in 50 words. How? Let's see how it's been. This is the prompt I given. See, this is a simple exact definition about like explain the nature in 50 words. The chat gpt that llm algorithm has explained this nature in 50 words. Nature encompasses the living and non-living elements of, simply we can easily understand everything by these 50 words only. So now we will go for some mathematical calculations. Okay, 7 plus 5. Let's give a short form. Okay, 7 plus 5. What the chart GPT? Yeah, 7 plus 5 equals to 12. This is one type of calculation, and I'm giving the prompt. what is the value of C when we add two numbers where a equals to 7 and b equals to 5. Let's see how the ChatGPT gives the answer for this thing. See, exactly the definition. Here, if you add two numbers a and b, where a equals 7 and b equals to 5, the result is given by c equals to a plus b. So we didn't give any condition. We write a prompt like English letter. When we added two numbers, what is the value? I'm asking the value of c. It internally calculated a plus b. See how the ChatGPT mind is working. So very simple, we can find out the easy answers from these things. So let's move some of the difficult things. So I'm giving some random number and multiply with a random number. Okay, let's see what the value will give. How the Chat GPT has multiplied the result of these things. See, this is a value multiplication of these things, and this thing the value is 10768 something something, so on so on so on, blah 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 blah. There is a value is coming from this thing. So this is a thing. So like I'm going to done some of the mathematical operation right now, and we will move write a story about anything like okay, I'm writing the prompt. Write a small story about what we need to give, about king and queen in olden days. Okay, this is a prompt I given. Write a small story about king and queen in olden days. How the ChatGPT write the story? Let's see. Once upon a time, a king showed in the midst of ministry. They ruled a wise and just. So see, this is a small story generated by the ChatGPT, and this story is superb, superb, superb. Like excellent. They provide there about the king and queen and inspiring things. Everything they have provide. So this is a small story which is given by the Chat GPT. This story is looking like nice, and it given paras and paragraphs. So everything. Okay, let's move for another thing. Write a, like I'm going for the blog. Write a blog on nature for beginners to understand easily. So this is a prompt I give. Write a blog on nature for beginners to understand easily. Let's execute this. How the ChatGPT gives. Oh, it also print that title also. Embracing the wonders of nature, and it gives the introduction and the basic nature approaches, identify, understanding everything, and like finally it gives a conclusion also. So this is a block types. How we can make a block. This is the things ChatGPT is given. That's great. That's great. Really, the great ChatGPT giving the well answer. That's great. Okay, let's move for another thing. And I'm typing the sentence. Yeah, let's move for some. So you are a beginner, right? Okay, let's. I'm a beginner. I don't know how to write a, how to learn new things. Okay, I'm asking the ChatGPT how to learn data science within 6 months. Okay, how I'm writing the prompt how to learn data science within 6 months. So as a beginner, I don't know how to learn the data science. Where I searching, I don't know. Just I got this algorithm and I am asking them what it will be give the output. So how to learn data science within a 6 months. So learning data science within the span of 6 months is an amazing. First, define the goals. So it gives the step by step things, what to do, what to learn, what are the things, what are that. Let's see how that ChatGPT printed. nearly 20 points it gives me. It's a superb great. So first point is define your goals, clear outline what you are achieve with the data science. So understand the prerequisites and learn the Python, master in data manipulation and data analysis, understand the data visualization, learn SQL, and divide into the machine learning, explore the data, deep learning, gain some experience, understand the big data technologies, special explore the specializations like NLP, computer vision reinforcement, stay updates, build a portfolio, networking and community engagement, seeking feedback and iterate, take online courses, consider the formal education, practice the interview questions, stay disciplined, consistent, celebrate the milestones. These are the 20 steps given by the ChatGPT for the beginners to learn the data science. So this is a quite simple. As a beginner, I don't can understand the things by giving this step by step. So same as this, I'm going to how to I'm writing the another prompt how to learn machine learning. So I need to go in depth the things. How to learn machine learning? Give me step by step concepts. So I write the prompt like how to learn machine learning. Give me step by step. So I don't know what are the concepts are present in the machine learning. So I need to know that, and so that I need to ask this chat GPT algorithm like how to learn machine learning and give me the step by step purpose. So it's giving around I think so 14 points. It gives around 14 points. The first point is establish the strong fundamentals. So we need to have a strong fundamental basic mathematics, linear algebra, stats, everything. And commonly using Python, we need to know libraries like NumPy, Pandas, MATLAB, understand the data science fundamentals like data manipulations and analysis and data visualization, grabs the basics machine learning like algorithms, linear regression, logistic regression, KNN, SO1 algorithms, and scikit-learn drive into the advanced algorithm random forest, support vector, mission decision tree, model evaluations like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, practical applications like using what are the projects, implementing end-to-end projects and deploying the projects, specialization in the area like deep learning, natural language and computer vision. We need to use like frameworks like PyTorch or TensorFlow. There is a two types of frameworks. Everything is clearly is given by this chart GPT for that. As a beginner, I can easily understand these things. So I hope this chart GPT will definitely help for the peoples to understand the clear character. Then you don't need to search anything. They simply pass the one of the prompt and they will find the things. And this all about this video, and we will go from advanced and intermediate levels on upcoming videos. I hope you all understand this video. Okay, bye bye, thank you.